This is the sixth reason that most of the people find affiliate marketing is so hard. And in this video, I am going to show you the sixth reason why most of the people find affiliate marketing is so hard and they feel that affiliate marketing is very difficult and very hard to do. So this is the sixth reason. And let's get started with this particular video. So hi guys, this is Nilesh, and in this video, I am going to share with you the six hard reason why people find affiliate marketing is very difficult or very hard for themselves, and for other people affiliate marketing is easy. So let's get started, and if you're watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because of that my channel get view boost and get some good results. Yeah. So number one, let me show you the number one reason why affiliate marketing is so hard. Just try to be an affiliate. Most of the time people only try to be an affiliate, not just to a person who is solving the problem. You don't have to be an another affiliate marketer. You have to create your uniqueness in the marketplace. You have to give the value to the people, so they find you as the right person for the particular product that you are selling. If you are into health niche, wealth niche, relationship niche, finding out what is the problem of your customer and give them the solution as your affiliate. Just try to be an affiliate marketer. Don't just try to sell random affiliate product for just of your commission. Finding the problem of market, find the good affiliate product and then sell it to the particular people who wants that one product. This is the biggest problem that most of the time people face. That's why they find it as a hard. Second point, only focus on selling. Most of the time, like so many time, people only focus towards selling on affiliate product. They don't try to nurture the people. They don't try to give any value in the marketplace. They just try to sell it in any way to anyone. And that is the one of the biggest bad method, you can say. That's why you are not able to achieve success in the affiliate marketing, other than the other people are getting good result in affiliate marketing. So on, don't just focus on selling part. Yes, it is important, but too hard selling is not that much fit. You have to build your authority first in the marketplace, and selling is the best way. As I mentioned with you on the first point, nurture and then sell. So don't only focus on sell, finding the problem and nurture them and then sell. Third point, don't create their own product. If you are selling any affiliate product, find out the what problems people get once they buy the affiliate product that you are selling. Finding out the problem. If you are selling any digital course or digital one funnel away challenge or whatever it is, find what is the problem people face once they buy one funnel away challenge, and then create your own unique value, then sell the affiliate product that you want to sell. Right? So don't create their own product is the biggest bad mistake that most of so many affiliate marketers do. Every single person do. The people who get result in affiliate marketing, they create their own ecosystem, they create their own product to attract the customers, to nurture the customer, and then they sell affiliate product. Fourth point and sixth point is something that you have to listen clearly. Not understanding the target market. See, people are, you are not understanding you who is your dream customer. You are trying to sell everyone, and this is the biggest mistake that you have to overcome. Like if you are trying to sell everyone, you are not able to sell anyone. You have to have this rule in your mind, like if you are trying to sell anyone, you are not serve and sell to and no one. So that's what the rule is. You have to decide who is your dream customer, and for that I already did a master class on how to finding out the dream customer. You find inside my Facebook group or in the I button itself. Number five is not creating an offer. You have to create an irresistible offer. You need to understand and master the art of creating offer. How you can create your own offer. What is the science behind creating your own offer? Because creating your own offer is something that helps you to stand out unique from the crowd. Otherwise you are just selling a commodity, because so many people are selling the same affiliate product and you don't have any specific offer. Then what, it's the affiliate product is just a commodity and you are not able to sell it to the marketplace. So you have to create your own unique offer. And how you can create your own unique offer? For that you can join 5 days Myron Golden Make More Offer Challenge. There you are able to learn more about how to create offers. This is not only for affiliate, this is for coaches, consultant, for any business, because Myron Golden is someone who is master in the game. So definitely you can join that 5 days Make More Offer Challenge. I'll send the link in the description as well in the comment section. Sixth one is jump from one product to another product. A lot of affiliate marketers, what they try to do is they just jump from this affiliate to another affiliate to the next affiliate, and this is a literally uh, not a good strategy, I can say. Once you good generate a good revenue from one affiliate product, you create good brand in one affiliate product, then you can shift. But until and unless if you haven't created any branding or authority of yours in one affiliate product, don't move to another affiliate product. Don't just jump from one to another to next one, because it harms your authority, it harms your credibility and trust in front of customers, because people feel what this person is do every single time he is changing the affiliate product. That's why you don't have to jump from one affiliate to another affiliate. So this is the sixth method that you can follow if you really wanted to win in affiliate marketing. And if you apply the sixth method, affiliate marketing is not hard for you. And the my 5 days Myron Golden Mac More Offer Challenge is link is appear on the screen. You can be a part of it. I'll drop this affiliate link in the description as well. And if you go through this challenge with my this particular referral, I have a special bonuses with my special accountability support, but for very few people. So make sure you see, reach out to me if you purchase it, and send it the email to me if you purchase. So that's it from my end. And if you are someone who is struggling into your online business, just reach out to me, find the link in the description of my messenger or my Facebook group, and join my Facebook group. That's it. Till then, Nilesh Jain signing off. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye, have a great day.